Tiger3D APEX scanners are the ideal solution for jewelry, dental, and other industrial applications. With Tiger3D APEX scanners, you could create high-resolution 3D files in 15 minutes or less. Simply spray, scan, and save. Tiger3D scanner software allows you to scan, align, and merge multiple angles into one high-quality, ready-to-print 3D file. Create copies of missing jewelry. Create true-to-scale wedding bands using your 3D files as a template. Even repair broken objects. Precise, detailed, and accurate. Tiger3D APEX Scanners. Available at Romanoff.com.